ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Is this budget-friendly Guardian worth it? Are you a budget-conscious driver seeking peace of mind on the road? The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam promises high-quality recording without breaking the bank. Let's dive into whether this feature-packed device truly delivers on its promises. The ROVE R2-4K Dual comes neatly packaged with everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll find the front and rear cameras, a suction cup mount, an adhesive mount, a generous 12-foot USB power cable, and a valuable 128 GB microSD card. The inclusion of the microSD card is a significant plus, saving you both time and money. The cameras themselves are compact and discreet. The front unit features a bright 3-inch IPS display for a clear live view. While the plastic build feels functional, it doesn't exude a premium feel. ROVE emphasizes innovation, setting expectations high with features like the ROVE 2 sensor and 5G Wi-Fi. Installing the ROVE R2-4K Dual is generally straightforward, even for those with limited car tech experience. The suction cup mount provides a secure attachment to the windshield, and the included clips help manage the rear camera cable. The voice prompts are a user-friendly touch, guiding you through initial setup. However, the app setup can be a bit clunky. Connecting to the camera's 5G Wi-Fi requires manual switching on your phone, and the ROVE app can occasionally lag during initial pairing. Once connected, the promised 20 MB/s download speed makes video transfers quick and efficient. The ROVE R2-4K Dual boasts dual-channel recording, 4K 2160p at 30 fps for the front camera and 1080p at 30 fps for the rear. The front camera's Sony ROVE 2 sensor performs well in daylight, capturing license plates and road signs with decent clarity. Some reviews suggest the 4K is upscaled, but it's still adequate for most users. The ROVE 2 sensor truly shines in low-light conditions, offering better than average night vision. However, it relies on ambient light, so very dark roads can reveal its limitations. The rear camera, with a Galaxy Core sensor, is noticeably weaker, struggling to capture details at night. The 5G Wi-Fi integration is a standout feature, allowing for seamless footage viewing and downloads. GPS functionality embeds valuable data into recordings, which can be crucial in case of an accident. The G-sensor and loop recording ensure continuous operation without manual intervention. Navigating the ROVE R2-4K Dual is intuitive once you get accustomed to the menu. The 3-inch IPS screen is responsive, and the physical buttons provide easy access to settings. The voice guidance is helpful, but can become repetitive over time. The app enhances usability, but its interface could be more polished. In practice, the dashcam automatically starts recording with the car's ignition, offering convenient set-it-and-forget-it functionality. The wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, and the included 128 GB card provides ample storage for hours of footage. Positive aspects: value for money. A strong deal for a dual-channel 4K dashcam with GPS, Wi-Fi, and a 128 GB card. Daytime video quality. The front camera's 4K footage is crisp and reliable in daylight. Fast 5G Wi-Fi makes transferring videos quick and easy. User-friendly features. Voice prompts, GPS, and a high-capacity card enhance the overall experience. Negative aspects. Not true 4K. The front camera's 4K is upscaled, which may disappoint some users. Weak rear camera. The 1080p rear sensor struggles at night and lags behind the front in quality. App clunkiness. Initial Wi-Fi setup and occasional app lag can be frustrating. The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dashcam is a compelling choice for budget-conscious drivers seeking a feature-rich dashcam. Its 4K front recording, fast Wi-Fi, and included 128 GB card make it a standout in its price range. However, the upscaled 4K and subpar rear camera are important considerations. For those prioritizing affordability over top-tier video fidelity, the ROVE R2-4K Dual is a solid pick. If you demand true 4K or premium rear footage, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, this dashcam delivers reliable evidence and convenience on the road, making it a worthwhile investment for many drivers. If you're looking for an affordable and feature-rich dashcam, the ROVE R2-4K Dual is worth considering. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and availability. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tech comparisons. Share this video with your friends and family who are looking for a budget-friendly dashcam solution.